Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be discussing with you the linking of 2 or more Excel workbooks. Now, many of you are probably thinking, why the heck would I want to do that when they already contain the information that I need within them? Well, the main reason you'd want to link workbooks is because one workbook contains information that is used within others. For example, I have listed here product price ranges within a master price list. Other spreadsheets, such as purchase orders, sales estimates, and etc., would probably use the same price data in the calculations that are located in the price list. Linking the secondary spreadsheets and workbooks to the main one assures that your spreadsheets and workbooks would always use the updated price list. That way, when prices change, you only have to change the prices in the price list, and everything else would automatically be updated. Another reason to link workbooks is a lot of people aren't really comfortable working within databases at the administrative level, although we are in this class, but many people are a little bit intimidated by them. And linking workbooks offers a more accessible and more comfortable form of data manipulation for those individuals. Today's example, I'm going to be using a travel and entertainment expense tracking worksheet that was originally created for Newlyweds Foods Incorporated Research and Development Department. The goal of this workbook was to track expenses for travel and entertainment for all of the individuals within the Research and Development Department. Each individual had a workbook that contained pages for each month of the year and one summary page. And the goal was to create a summary workbook that took all of their data and combined it in one departmental workbook that could be used to make presentations at the master level. 2 things to remember. When you're linking spreadsheets and workbooks, you need to be comfortable with Excel formulas. So if you don't know how to do them, go to Microsoft.com and find the tutorial section, and make sure that you have a good comfort level with writing formulas before you go ahead and embark on linking worksheets and workbooks. Another thing you need to work on is that all worksheets and workbooks that you are linking should be static. If you change the name of a workbook or if you move a workbook, you will find that the formulas don't work properly. Okay, so let's go ahead and find my files, and we'll take a look and see what it is that we need to do. All my files for this demonstration are located in my 2000 expenses folder, and you'll see that there's a workbook here for each of the individuals in the R&D department: Chris, Colleen, Ruth, Sue, and then there's a couple of summary sheets. What I did was I just copied one in case I mess it up, then I'll have a backup to go to. But we'll go ahead and open one of them. We'll open one of them. Okay. And this is what the summary looks like for everyone in the department. You can see there's a lot of expenses here. They spent approximately $43,000 in travel and entertainment expenses. And it's broken down further by category here. And if we click on any of the sheets, you can see what the formulas look like. You're going to start the formula with an equal sign, as you would with any Excel spreadsheet. And what I want to do is I want to summarize the summary pages of everyone's worksheets. Now you need to give it the directory that it's located in, and in my case it's on my C drive. Users, Marlene Gravis, downloads, Jabri, BIS360 week 6 in the 2000 expenses folder. Now, here's where we get to the worksheet information. We're going to start with Ruth Pauls in brackets here, and you're going to go to that's her spreadsheet, ruthpauls.xls, and her summary sheet. And then we're going to go back and do the exact same thing for everybody else in the department. Now, that can get kind of tedious, and I'm kind of lazy, so I don't like to handwrite all of that information. You can also link spreadsheets by just clicking on the sheets, and I'll show you how to do that next. Okay, so I have a blank spreadsheet here, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and summarize the lodging expenses for the two top travelers in the department, and I'm just going to pick two spreadsheets at random. I've opened Chris Putgani's spreadsheet, and we're going to look at his lodging right here. And also I've picked Sue's, and we're going to look at her lodging expenses right here, and we're going to create a cell in this practice linking spreadsheet that's going to summarize those two sheets. Now I've got three spreadsheets open, and this blank one is going to contain the summary of the other two sheets. So I'm just going to go ahead and label this total lodging for top two. And what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and start a formula like any other spreadsheet. We're going to go ahead and hit equal. And since I want to do a sum, I'm going to go ahead and use a sum function. Oops, not sum, to summarize the data on the two spreadsheets. And since we're going to go ahead and do that, we're going to need, like regular mathematical operations, we're going to need our parentheses. Now here's where it becomes fun. Now instead of writing down all the information, you're going to go to one of the spreadsheets, click on the cell, and you'll see up here that it has already updated the reference information, and we're going to go back to the original spreadsheet, and it's there, so we don't need to worry about it. We're going to put an end parentheses on here, and we're going to hit the plus sign. Now we're going to go over to the next spreadsheet, and we're going to do the same for her. Now you'll see it's already updated in here. If we go back to our original sum, you see that it's already in there. No need to write the formula. Now when we're ready to complete this, all we have to do is hit enter, and there's our summary. And that's as easy as it is to link two workbooks and spreadsheets together to get the information that we wanted summarized. Hope that was helpful to you. If anyone has any questions, please email me through the class email or at marlene.gravis@gmail.com. Thanks. Have a good one.